In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Canva AI video generator in a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Canva or just exploring new features, this guide will help you get started with creating video clips using AI technology. So let's dive in and explore how you can use this fantastic tool to bring your video ideas to life. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Canva website by typing in canva.com. Alternatively, if you have the Canva app installed on your device, you can open that as well. Canva is quite versatile and user-friendly on both platforms, so feel free to choose the one that suits your needs best. Once you are on the Canva homepage, you will need to log into your account. If you already have an account, simply use your email, Google, or Facebook account to sign in. If you're new to Canva, you will need to sign up and create an account. Canva offers a straightforward sign-up process, allowing you to quickly register using your email or link your Google or Facebook account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on Canva's main dashboard. Here, on the left-hand sidebar, look for the option labeled Canva AI. This section is where the magic happens. Click on Canva AI and you'll be on your way to creating AI-generated video content. Once you are inside the Canva AI section, you'll notice a variety of creative possibilities. To begin creating a video clip, look for the option to create a video clip. This will typically be found underneath the type box, which is where you'll input your video idea. Click on this option to set the wheels in motion for your video project. Now comes the fun part, starting the creative process. Begin by typing in your video idea into the provided box. This step is crucial as it tells the AI what direction to take your video. Be as specific or as broad as you like. It's about your vision coming to life. After inputting your idea, you can choose a style that fits the theme or mood you want. Canva offers a range of styles, allowing you to customize your video to perfectly capture the essence of your idea. Finally, once you're satisfied with your choices, click on Generate Video. The AI will take a few moments to process and create your video based on the parameters you've set, and there you have it, a unique AI-generated video ready for you to review, edit, and share as you like. So that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can easily access Canva's powerful AI video generator and start creating video content with ease. Go ahead and explore all the creative possibilities Canva offers.